how to overcome the fear of speaking English. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Boost Your English. I'm Jason, and today we're talking about something many learners struggle with, the fear of speaking English. Maybe you feel nervous, shy, or worried about making mistakes. You're not alone. Almost every learner feels this way at first. But here's the good news. You can overcome this fear and start speaking with confidence. Let's find out how. Why do we feel afraid? Usually it's because we worry about being judged or making errors. But remember, mistakes are proof that you're learning. Native speakers make mistakes too. Speaking is not about being perfect. It's about communication. The goal is to share your ideas, not to speak like a dictionary. Step 1. Change your mindset. Instead of thinking, I must speak perfectly, think every sentence I try is practice. Celebrate small wins, like starting a conversation or saying a new word. Each attempt builds courage. Step 2. Practice in safe spaces. Start by talking to yourself in English. Describe your day, explain what you see, or read aloud. Then move to low-pressure partners, a language app, an AI chatbot, or a friend who is also learning. Step 3. Use simple sentences. You don't need big words to sound smart. Short, clear sentences are easier to say and understand. Example. Instead of, I would appreciate it if you could provide me with assistance, just say, can you help me? Step 4. Record yourself. Make a 1-minute voice note every day. At first, you might not like how you sound, but that's normal. Over time, you'll hear your improvement and gain confidence. Step 5. Join supportive communities. Look for online English groups, small conversation clubs, or even a speaking buddy. Everyone there is learning just like you. The more you practice, the less fear you'll feel. Let's review. Change your mindset. Practice in safe spaces. Use simple sentences. Record yourself. Join supportive communities. Fear fades when action grows. The more you speak, the braver you become. Thank you for joining me today on Boost Your English. Remember, every time you open your mouth in English, you win. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start speaking today, and confidence will follow.